Oh, shall I show you it, shall I? Oh, that's in... Wowza. Look at that. Hi guys, today's video is going to be a Fresh and Flowers unboxing, a Lush Fresh and Flowers unboxing. This is January's box. It just comes in its regular little black box, and then it's got the little sticker that says your name on it, which is so cute. And then I think this like gives away the theme a little bit, the sticker. Oh, where's my dress? I doubt you want to stalk me, but just in case. Let's get this open. It smells really good. Do excuse my hair as well, guys. I've just I washed it yesterday and haven't done anything with it, and it's just all over the shop. But let's ignore that, shall we? Right. Oh, this is cute. I think it's a Chinese New Year box. Judging by that dragon, yes, I would say so. You get a little card. You get your little doors and something's poking out here. Let's open it up, shall we? It's cute. It says confident on it. Ooh. Wow, that's straight. Yeah, it looks like that inside. You've got all of your products and your fresh bundle. So I'll grab out the fresh bundle first. Ooh. Wow. So here you've got some bamboo. What else do you have? So you've got bamboo cane, you've got fir tree leaf, narcissus, I don't know what that is, and bamboo leaves. Interesting. You can put this in your bath, but I'm not going to lie to you, I'm not big on the scent of this. It's a bit unusual for my liking. It smells a bit, I hate to say it, but pooey. I'm not a fan of that, but never mind, that's fine. Next thing I'm going to grab out is this little sucker. And this is a cleansing orange. Looks like that. I swear I saw a post or I saw them making the boxes or something. Can I swear this little orange had like a little stem coming out of it, but mine doesn't have anything. Who knows? Anywho, this is a Mandarin cleansing orange. It's got Amazaki brown rice will help make your skin smooth and soft, while the rice milk is hydrating and the milky ground almonds gently buff. Take a pinch, add some water and make into a paste and massage all over your face before gently washing away. So that looks good. Let's open it up. Oh, that smells really nice. Again, it's just like a plain sort of pasty ball. That smells delicious, like really quite hempy and earthy, but I do really like that. That's nice. Excited to try that. Then I'm pulling out the fresh face mask which is in it. This is called Nanakusa Geyu. I think that's how you say it. It says celebrate the year of the dragon with 7 herbs rice porridge with firming and brightening parsley hydrating daikon and vitamin B rich Amazaki rice. Oh, that's in... Wowza. Gosh, the scents in this box are a little unusual. That's like really odd. That's like really spicy with like a hint of like chocolate or something. Oh, that's so bizarre. I mean, I'll use it. It's a face mask. Of course I will. We don't waste in this house. So you've got kale, glycerin, brown rice amazaki, shepherd's purse, daisy flower and chickweed decoction, parsley, got parsley in here, turnip, weird, rice bran. I think it's the parsley giving it a weird smell, but we'll use that. That's nice. Then I'm going to pull out this is called Yuku Tazuri. Unsure of how you pronounce that one. And this is an incense. So this says, this fragrance main note is fresh pine. It is woody, balsamic and green thanks to the frankincense and pure oil. It has a very rich herbal and slightly spicy part created with cedarwood and lavender. Basil and tarragon also add a warm, sweet herbal aroma to this scent. Beautiful. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh, cute. I don't want to pour this everywhere. I'm sure I will though. You've got your sand, and then you've got 2, which is nice, 2 incense sticks in here. So you've got your sand, you stand your incense. Oh wow, they're green. You stand them up like that, you light the ends, and then they'll do their thing. Wow, that's so good. Look at that. I mean, yeah, it's very, not too strong at all, which I like. Very mildly piney, just exactly like the description says. I would say I'm excited to use those, but I don't really think I'm going to be able to with the baby in the house, so. Right, what have we got now? Next, I'm pulling out a bath bomb. This is Toso bath bomb. I'm probably pronouncing all of this wrong. I do apologise if I am. Oh, interesting, but that's quite nice. I like that. So, well, it says it's called Toso, and then it says Ipuku bath bomb. We created this exclusively for Japan, but have borrowed this for our box. Add your bath bomb to your bath and relax in the colours of the season and its sweet scent. So it looks like this. It's quite a small bath bomb. Why am I doing this? Like I'm in 2012 or something. Cute little bath bomb. It does have the Lush print on it, but you can't really see it. It's pink, white, and it's got these little things on the top. I want to say, what are they? I don't know what they are. I don't know what they are on the top, but that'll be interesting to try. This one is, it's got sort of like a classic Lush bath bomb scent, like fresh, like a really fresh scent, but with a spicy kick to it as well. That is nice, so I do like that. Excited to try that one. Then we are going to pull out, we have the iPads. So then we've got the dragon clouds under iPads. It says Asian dragons are often seen in the clouds. Enjoy iPads made with hydrating rice milk and softening aloe vera. Take from the fridge and place on each eye and relax for 10 minutes or so. Okay, I don't really need to take these out because you can see them. You should be able to see it anyway. You probably won't now. It's a little cloud. It's not particularly detailed like the ones last month. They were lovely. But it's just a pure, simple little white cloud. I mean, generally, in all the boxes, I think a lot of people agree. I don't care for these. I don't know what benefit they really have. And they're a little bit annoying. When you put them on, you've got to like lie back straight away or else they're flopping all over your face. And obviously I want to use them when I'm in the bath. So I've sort of got to like I don't know. It's just difficult. But I will use them. And you'll have a video of me using them as well, so we'll try them. And then finally, we have the soap, which looks lovely. This is the Year of the Dragon soap. It says that does, oh, shall I show you it, shall I? Looks like that. Very, very pretty. It's a little circled up like he's having a snooze by the looks of it or something. A little dragon with some gold detailing on. This said, this design of this soap was created by the Japanese design team. A rice bran dragon soap with a softening Amazaki rice for small moisturising bubbles. Perfect for washing your hands and body with a foodie sweet scent. Ooh, that's bizarre. I like it though. That is sweet, but again, it has a sort of like spicy, herby kick to it. But I'm about that. I like that. That's going to go straight in my soap dish, I think. So yeah, it's a nice box overall. Don't get me wrong, all the Fresh and Flowers boxes are very nice. But yeah, like I said, again, that's not going to be to everyone's... Oh, he's a grumpy boy today. It's not going to be to everyone's taste. Some of it certainly isn't to my taste, but I will use it. I think the scent I liked the least was obviously the bundle. I wasn't keen on that. And then the face mask's a little bit odd as well. But I mean, that's a product that you'll put on and you have to put up with for like 10-15 minutes, then you can wash it off. So it's not like it's a shower gel or a soap that you're going to smell like all day. So it's not really that much of an issue. But yeah, that was January's box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you got this month's box, do let me know what did you guys think of it. Did you like it? And what your favourite products are out of it. And I'll see you all soon. Bye.